This is an exam application tutorial on the topic of cells and microscopes. The question for 6 marks is compare the structure of animal, plant and bacteria cells. When you compare the structure of something to something else, you have to state what they have different but also what they have in common. So this question can be translated into a series of smaller sub-questions. For example, this features all of the cell types share, this features animal and plant cells share, this features plant and bacteria cells share, and this features unique to all cell types. Using this Venn diagram helps you answer this question perfectly because it gives you a great visual idea of where certain organelles are shared and where they're not. For example, you can instantly see that animal cells have no unique features. So I'm going to start off in the middle of my Venn diagram. All cells have a cell membrane, cytoplasm and ribosomes, and that's 1 mark. Now I'm looking at what animal and plant cells share. Animal and plant cells have a nucleus and mitochondria, 1 mark. Now I'm looking at what plant and bacteria cells have. Plant and bacteria cells have a cell wall, 1 mark. Now just plant cells. Plant cells have a chloroplast and a vacuole or large vacuole. And now bacteria cells. Bacteria cells have a flagellum, that's the tail that allows it to move. Circular DNA, that means DNA without a nuclear envelope, so there's no nucleus. Plasmids, small loops of DNA, and pili, these small little tubes that extend from the membrane. The 6th mark you would get for writing this perfectly with good spelling and good grammar.